ready to take off. Moving na siya, moving. Yan. Alis na yung naghatid. Moving na, moving. Bye, Vancouver. See you, China. Bye, bye. Hi. Nervous dyan. Wala na. Bye-bye na. Punta na siya ng China. Wait tayo ng ibang flight. Okay. Yun guys, umalis na si China Airlines. Ito ang pumalit. Japan Airlines. So yan siya guys. Nagre-ready na. Samantalang kami ay nandito pa rin. Hihintay sa aming flight. May layover kasi kami na 8 hours dito sa Vancouver. 6 hours lang sana, kaya lang na-delay. So naging 8 hours. Ganon.
Korean Air Flight KE 072 with service to Incheon is paging the following passengers: Caballero Marlu, Hakalman Aling, Han Sang-yong, Isaac Naomi Root, Lee Win-hin Vincent, Liao Fulan, Lee Kan, Nguyen Tai Kam Du, Scully Erin Nicole, Tam Yukla, Chuan Tai Tu Dao, Wood Shuan, Labrador Lilian, Beeman Brian James, Beeman Mariana Jane, Beeman Emily, Beeman Heather, Beeman Kelly, Kim Jae-hoon. Please proceed to gate D70 for a message or passport check. Thank you.
Ayan, may parating na naman. American Airlines. Maliit lang siya. Ayan siya. Bye. Ayan na naman ang isa. Ngayon. Kalubong sila ng Air Canada.
Korean Air Flight KE 072 with service to
May isa pang
Incheon
Air
is paging
Canada.
the following
Sumusunod ang Air
passengers:
Canada.
Labrador Lilia, Beeman Brian James Markel 5, Beeman Brian James Markel 5, Kim Jae-hoon. Please proceed to gate D70 for a message.
Another American Airlines. Air Canada at saka American Airlines, maraming dumarating at pong umaalis. Yung iba bilang lang. Yan, nagre-reverse yung isang Air Canada. Philippine Airlines. Mula kanina walang Philippine Airlines. Ngayon lang. Isa lang talaga ang dumating na Philippine Airlines. Ayun o.
Passengers, Caballero Marilu, Hakalman Kami, Isaac Naomi Ruth, Lee Winghin Vincent, Lee Khan, Nguyen Pai Kam Tu, Scully Erin Nicole, Tam Yu Club, Kim Jae-hoon. Please proceed to gate
Delta.
D17 for passport check
Malaki yung
or
Delta.
message. Thank you.
Ito, aalis na rin si Japan. Oh, ayan. Aalis na si Japan. Ready nang aalis si Japan Airlines.